Hi, this is Rachel Bruner, and I'm going to show you the making tokens using this accent I've got. First, what I'm using is a little brown token from a backgammon game. It's got a little green felt thing underneath. These were just thrifted from a secondhand store. And then I glued on the token, and I just used this multi-medium matte paste that I have. It's just one I'd had from scrapbooking and crafting. Zoom out a little, and it works really well. I just used a brush to brush the token. I brushed it on the back of the token and stuck it down. And now I'm going to put on this Glossy Accents. So this Glossy Accents is another thing I just had from my crafting days. Clear dimensional medium. It will dry clear, and but it's a little puffy, so you can kind of see the glossy from the other ones. Okay, so all right. So actually, I've got a little bit of shadow here, so I'm gonna just bring it up my hand here so you can see really close. So with this, I just use this little nozzle to squeeze out the stuff. Just pop any bubbles that end up being. I'm gonna pop that bubble. Maybe it'll pop it on its own and go around the edge and just squeeze down. I want that bubble, get it out. There we go. Oh, no, didn't get it. Maybe. But you can use a safety pin or like a needle or something to poke the, so you just kind of let it, and it kind of flows out. And this bottle, I've had this bottle for a couple of years and haven't even opened it probably for a year. And it's still great. It's lasted all this time, and so this will take quite a long time to dry. I don't remember exactly how long, and the bottle just says based on how much you use. So after I'm done here, I'll time it and see how long it takes to dry. But I'm doing a pretty thick coat because I want it to have a bubbled, domed surface just a little bit. Alright, that looks pretty good. A little there. Oh, I added more bubble. Alright, so now I want to be very careful that I don't touch it with my edge, but I want to show you up close if I can. I think I did pretty well. Kind of to see. Now it looks kind of foggy. Let's see sideways there. It's a bit domed. Now it looks foggy, but once it dries, that fogginess should clear up and should be able to see the letter even clearer than we can already. So after it's done drying, I'll probably take a picture. All right, it has been several hours later, and my tokens are now dry. The Glossy Accents has dried, and they look great. Give you a close-up here. You can see nice dry, kind of glossy. Put it up to the side here so you can see. Sorry, my oranges. I ate an orange earlier. Some fingers are kind of orange from the orange. Sorry. Okay, I'm trying to get the camera to focus. There we go. So you can kind of see there's a little bit of a beveled edge. It's not quite as high as before. I think it settled a bit as it dried, but they look pretty good. Pretty nice and glossy. Not too many issues. I found out about after 3 hours they were dry but still felt a little tacky. Now you can see this one I didn't check real carefully, and there are a few little bubbles in it, but when it's farther back down you can't really tell, so it's not too bad. But this has now been, like, I can't count at the same time. 3:30, 4:35, 6 hours. It's been 6 hours since I made these. And so they're super dry now. There's no tackiness to them. They rub really well. So they're nice. Yeah, so they look pretty dang good. I'm super pleased with this, and we'll probably be using this Glossy Accents technique for future tokens. I love it.